Hello and welcome to one and all. In this class, we will check out the numerical problems under median. So we already finished the numerical problems based on arithmetic mean, and then we also finished the theory part, theory questions, isn't it? What is the relationship between statistics and economics, merits and drawbacks of mean, median and mode, and characteristics of good average. Okay. Now we will check out the numerical problems with regarding to median. Okay. Now, as usual, you have the median. I mean, it is a positional average, isn't it? It is the middlemost value. So you will have the median. Sometimes it is in the individual series, and then it can be in the discrete series or it can be in the continuous series. Okay. So let us check out one problem in each of these series one by one. So first one, computation of median individual series. So the question is, calculate median for the below given data relating to income of 7 persons. So what it is given income, that is X, okay, 100, 150, 80, 90, 160, 200 and 140. See, the first and foremost thing, if you are given the observation in individual series, you have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. Okay, so first you have to arrange the given data. If it is not already arranged, you have to arrange in either ascending order or in the descending order, and then that is the step 1, and the step 2 is you have to apply the formula. Now this is the formula for median, that is median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Okay, that is n plus 1 is the number of observations divided by 2. So what is that item? So this is as far as odd day. If the given observation is in odd numbers, this is the formula we apply. Okay, so now what we have to do, the first one, the given data is not arranged properly. So first thing what we have to do is we have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Okay, so let us arrange the given data in ascending order. So this is how, after arranging in ascending order, so the first column you are arranging in ascending order from serial number 1 to 7. So income ascending order 80, 90, 100, 140, 150, 160 and 170. So what is the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2 value. So n happens to be 7, isn't it? Total there are 7 observations. So n happens to be 7. So median is equal to 7 plus 1 divided by 2 value, that is item. So that means what? 8 by 2 value, that is the fourth value will be the median. So what is the fourth value here? So the fourth value here is 140, isn't it? So the fourth value here is 140. So that means what? Median is equal to 140. So this is the median. Okay. So this is as far as the, if the given data is in observation is in odd numbers. So if the given observation is in the even numbers, then you have to take the average of the two of the middlemost values. Okay. So if the given data is in even, then there will be two middlemost values. If it is in odd number, or observation is in odd numbers, you will have only one middlemost value. So it is easy to find out. But if the given observation is in even numbers, then we will get two middlemost values. Then we will have to take the average of the two middlemost values. So for that, the formula for finding out for the even numbers is equal to average of the nth by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th values. Okay, suppose the same example, if I am including one more observation, if n happens to be 8, okay, so then what we have to do, n by nth divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th item or value, that is 8 by 2 plus 1 value, that is 8 by 2 is 4th value and 8 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5th value. 8 by 2 is 4 plus 1 5th divided by 2. Okay, so that will be the median. Okay, so suppose if I am including, so the same data, if I am including one more observation, that is I am including 8th observation also. So the 8th, it happens to be 180. Okay, so the up to 7 it is 170. Now 8th is 180. So what is the formula? Median is equal to nth by 2 first. So n by 2 is 8 by 2. We are getting the fourth value. So what is the fourth value? Your fourth value happens to be 140, isn't it? And then n by 2 plus 1, that is 8 by 2 plus 1 is equal to fifth value. So what is the fifth value? Your fifth value here happens to be 150. So the next fifth value is 150. So now what we have to do? We have to take the average of the fourth value and the fifth value, that is 140 plus 150 divided by 2, that is 290 divided by 2 is equal to 145. Okay, so final answer, the median is 145. So this is the answer if the given observation is in the even numbers. So because you are having two middle values, so we are having fourth value as well as the fifth value as the middle number, the middlemost values. So you are taking the average of fourth and fifth. So understood. Say this, we have already seen one of the drawbacks of median, isn't it? So it is sometimes the answer is not rigidly defined. You will get different, you have to include arithmetic mean also, isn't it? This is also one of the drawbacks of median. Okay, anyway, so this is how you will find out the median if the given observation is in the even numbers. Okay, this is as far as the individual series is concerned. And one more problem we will check out. Question number 2, compute median for the following data. The given observation is 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 and 21. See, I have already marked where in the reading. It's a very important, because this question almost in every board exam paper, this question has been asked for 2 marks. Okay, major, almost, that's what I'm saying, almost every board exam papers we have been getting repeatedly this particular question for 2 marks. Okay, now what is the first step? We have to arrange the given observation in the ascending or descending orders. But when you look at this observation, we can see that it is already arranged in ascending order, isn't it? So serial number, so total there are 9 observations. So it is already 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 and 21. So the given observation is already arranged in the ascending order. So you have to, first thing you have to check it whether it is already arranged in ascending or descending order. If it is not, you have to arrange it in the ascending or descending order. So since it is already arranged, we need not have to do anything. So n happens to be 9. So what is the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2 value or item. So n plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10 divided by 2 value, that is the fifth value. So what is the fifth value here? The fifth value happens to be 9, isn't it? So this is the fifth value. So final answer is median is 9. Okay, so this is as far as the individual series is concerned. Now let us move on to the next step, how to calculate the median if the given series is in discrete form. Okay, so the second one, computation of median under discrete series. So you have to note that, you have to understand that for both continuous series and discrete series, in order to find out the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, so adding up all the frequencies, you will get the cumulative frequency. So let us check out one problem, how to find out the median under discrete series. So the question number 3, calculate median for the following data. Okay, so all these problems are already given in the back of your textbook. Okay, so now the given data is wages, that happens to be X, and workers, how many workers getting that much amount of wages, that happens to be frequency. So wages 10, the frequency, the number of workers getting that is 5. And then, so to put it very simply, wages will be the X and F, the frequency will be workers. So 10 and 5, and second 20, 8, 30, 12, 40, 20, 50, 30, 60, 16, 70, 10, 80, 7, 90 and 8. So write in this form. First, whatever the question given, you write like this. And then what is the first step you have to do? You have to find the cumulative frequency. So the third column, the first column will be wages, the second column will be the frequency, that is workers, and the third column will be the cumulative frequency, that is CF. Okay, so cumulative frequency, you have to keep on adding it. So first one will be 5 as usual, and then what is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, then 13 plus 12, then you are getting 25. 25 plus 20, we are getting 45. 45 plus 30, we are getting 75. 75 plus 16, we are getting 91. 91 plus 10, we are getting 101. 101 plus 7, we are getting 108. 108 plus 8, we are getting 116. So the final n is equal to 116. Now what is the formula here? The formula happens to be the same. So median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 item or value. So here n is equal to 116. So 116 plus 1 divided by 2 value or item, that is 117 divided by 2, we are getting 58 divided by 2, we are getting this is 58.5th item. Now when you look at the observation, 58.5th item is included in which median class? Okay, so if you look at it, the cumulative frequency up to 45 is included in median class, that is in the wages 40. Okay, now 45 to 75 is included in the median class 50. Okay, so that means what is the answer? We are getting 58.5. so that means 58.5 value will be included in the median class 50. So this is the median class. Okay, understand? Up to 45 is included in median class 40. Beyond 75 is included in median class 60. So between 45 and 75, it will be included in the median class, that is 50. Okay, so 58.5 is included in 75. So median class will be 50. So that's why the 58.5th item is included in cumulative frequency 75. The corresponding x value is 50. So therefore the median is 50. So you can counter check once again. So it is 75. The corresponding median class is 50. Okay. So this is how we are finding out the median if it is in the form of a discrete series. Remember, you have to find out the cumulative frequency, apply the same formula and locate the median in whichever class corresponding to the cumulative frequency you are finding that value is included. You will have to add that value will be, that item will be the median. Okay. Now next we will move on to the next problem. One more problem. Let us check out how to find out the median if it is in the form of a continuous series. Okay. So computation of median in continuous series. So question number 4, compute median for the data given below. So this is continuous series. Okay. So classes that happens to be x, 0 to 10, persons, that is F, 5, 10 to 20, 10. So within this range, number of persons, that is the frequency. 10 to 20 range, the number of persons belonging is 10. 20 to 30 range, the number of persons belonging is 25. So that's why the frequency. 30 to 40, 30. 40 to 50, 20. 50 to 60, 10. So this is the question given. Okay. Now what is the first thing you have to do? You have to find out the cumulative frequency. Okay, so the cumulative frequency is 5 plus 10, 15. So for your information, up to here is the question. Okay, so the question given is this: compute median for the data given below. So this is the question. Okay, and that we have arranged in column wise. So first column, the same thing, column wise. First column will be x, second column will be the frequency. Now in order to find out the answer, first you write column wise the same question, and then one more column, the third column will be, so this is column 1, second x will be column 1, frequency will be column 2, and then so up to here is the question. Now in order to find out the answer, you have to include the third column. So what is the third column? The third column will be the cumulative frequency. So you have to find out the cumulative frequency. So how to find out the cumulative frequency? First it is 5. 5 plus 10 we are getting 15. 15 plus 25 we are getting 40. 40 plus 30 we will get 70. 70 plus 20 we will get 90. 90 plus 10 we will get 100. So finally n happens to be 100. N is the sigma f. So n happens to be 100. Okay. Now, so in order to find out the median for the continuous series, you have to apply this formula. So what is the formula? Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Okay, I repeat, median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency Cf divided by f into, that is multiplied by I. Okay, so this is the formula. Now what is n here? Sigma f. Okay, first n, the first thing we have to do is n, you have to find out the n by 2. So what is n here? The n happens to be sigma f. So n by 2 will be the median value. Okay, and after finding the median value, median class, whichever median, L1 will be the lower limit of the median class, because this is a continuous series. You have the lower limit, you have the upper limit. Okay, so L1 will be the lower limit of the median class, and Cf cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. So whatever the median class, the preceding one, the previous one cumulative frequency will be the Cf. Okay, and then the next one is f. So f will be the frequency of the median class, and I will be the size of the class interval. Okay, so this is the formula, and I repeat again, L1 is the, n will be the sigma f, n by 2 will be the median value, and then L1 will be the lower limit of the median class, whichever the median class you are identifying, that median class lower limit will be L1. Cf will be the cumulative frequency preceding to the median class, f will be the frequency of the median class, and I will be the size of the class interval. Okay, now this is the question. What is the first one? First thing you have to find out, you have to locate the median class. So in order to locate the median class, step 1, what you should do? Finding out the location of the median class. How do you find the location of the median class? That is, you have to find out n by 2. Okay, so in our this thing, we have already found out n happens to be 100. Okay, so n by 2, that is 100 by 2, this is equal to 50th item. Okay, so 50th item. So let us check out 50th item is belonging to which class. So if you look, I mean, you have to check the cumulative frequency. So you can see that up to 40, so 5, 10, 40, up to 40 is included in 20 to 30. Okay, so 40 to 50, 70 is included in 30 to 40. So what is our n by 2? N by 2 median class belonging to 30 to 40, because up to 70 is included in 30 to 40. So 50 should be obviously included in 30 to 40. So now we have identified the median class. So what is the median class? So 30 to 40 will be the median class. Okay, then so next what we have to find out? So we have step 1, we have found out the median class. So 50th item is included in class 30 to 40. So median class is 30 to 40. So that means what? L1 will be the lower limit of the median class. So lower limit of the median class is 30. Okay, now step 3, what we have to do? We have to find out other values and apply the formula to find the median. So what are all the other values we have to find out? We have to find out the Cf, the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So median class is 30 to 40. So the cumulative frequency of the previous class will be 40. Isn't it? The previous class is 40. So now this will be Cf. So Cf will be 40. Okay, and we have already found out L1. What is L1? 30 will be the L1, isn't it? 30 is L1. And n by 2 we already found out. 50 is the n by 2. We have already found out CF. CF will be the median cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 40. Then what is left over? F. F will be the frequency of the median class. So not the cumulative frequency, this is the frequency. So the frequency of the median class is 30, isn't it? So now this will be F. And I is the class interval. I is the class interval. Class interval we can see it is 10. So I is equal to 10. Okay. I is equal to, this is the size of the class interval. So now we have found out all the values. L1 we have found out. N by 2 we know we located. CF we have found out. F also we have identified. We know the size of the class interval. Now what we have to do? We have to just simply apply the values in the given formula and find out the answer. Okay. So median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into 10. So median 30, isn't it? We have found out it is the, median is equal to L1 lower limit of the class. We have found out it is 30. So this is 30 plus cumulative n by 2 we have already found out it is 50. So n by 2 is 50. Cumulative frequency of the previous class we have found out it is 40. Frequency of the median class we have found out it is 30. Size of the class interval we found out it is equal to 10. So 30 plus 50 minus 40, 10 divided by 30 into 10. So 30 plus 100 by 30. So the answer will be 30 plus 3.3. So the median is 33.33. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is how we will find out the median if it is in the form of a continuous series. Okay. So I hope you have clearly understood how to find out the median in case of individual series. First, you remember you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Apply the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. If it is in the observation is odd number. If it is even number, n by 2 middlemost value, isn't it? N by 2 plus n plus 1 divided by 2 and take the average of it. Okay. And then as far as discrete series is concerned, you have to there is no need for you to arrange in ascending or descending order. What we have to do, you have to find out the cumulative frequency, apply the same formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So whichever class that cumulative frequency belonging to that, whichever class the x belongs to, that will become the median. Okay. And as far as the continuous series is concerned, you have to find out the cumulative frequency, apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So the first and foremost in this case, you have to find out the n by 2. So if you find out the n by 2, you will locate the median class. So once you locate the median class, you will know what is L1, the lower limit of the class. And then n by 2, anyway you know the value n by 2. And CF will be the cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. F will be the frequency of the median class. And I will be the size of the class interval. So apply all those values, write all those values and simplify calculate the answer. You will arrive at the median. Okay. So this is how we calculate the median for continuous series. So you can get this for 5 marks. I repeat, if you get all these questions, numerical problems for 5 marks, please attend. So you will get full 5 marks. Okay. So if you find this video useful, please like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please mention them in the comment box. Okay. So until my next class, take care. Bye bye.